Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
I am solely responsible for the potential demise of Hidden Homestead. Ever since I started the channel on YouTube over the last several years, I have stunted my own growth. And it's taken me a lot of years to figure out why and how. Now, I've got almost 14,000 subscribers on YouTube right now, but I've been doing it for almost 9 years, 8-9 years. And so I think I probably should have had quite a few more subscribers. I should have been bigger. I should have been able to promote Hidden Homestead a lot better than what I have. The reason for that is because YouTube has no idea where to put me. I'll post a video that is blacksmith related, and just recently I've been posting gun related content. Totally different industries, totally different niches, and every time I do that, YouTube has to reset everything, reset the algorithms, and recalculate where I should be. Try to find the audience to show me. And then I'll post something that is the timber frame sort of stuff for the barn. And then it's got to recalculate, reset everything. And so because I am interested in so many different things, I thought it'll be a lifestyle brand. It'll be a lifestyle channel. Everything that I like, I'm going to put it on there. That's not how YouTube works. It's taken me many years to figure this out. And I'm just confusing YouTube. So what I'm going to do is basically create a second channel. I'm creating a second channel. I'm not getting rid of the original channel. As a matter of fact, the original channel is going to go back to the original name, The Workshop at Hidden Homestead, because I'm going to only have the projects, blacksmithing, carpentry, timber frame, that kind of stuff, the projects and the homesteading style content on that channel, how it started out, how it was originally intended to be. The second channel is going to be called HH Custom Arms and Outdoors. That's where I'm going to start putting the firearm related gear reviews, outdoor hunting, camping, backpacking, that sort of stuff. I'm going to put on that channel. Keep the two completely different things separated. That way the Hidden Homestead umbrella that incorporates everything will grow, because the Hidden Homestead is the business itself. So by separating those two, hopefully Hidden Homestead in general will grow. You guys have supported what I've been doing, some of you for years, some of you for months. It doesn't matter. I am very thankful for that. And so therefore you guys deserve everything I have to give you. So that's it, I think. Peace out. I love you guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.